You found this in your email profile. It's a mail summary file, basically an index. If your inbox is acting weird, deleting this file forces Thunderbird to rebuild it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's fix your inbox. For those who want the most versatile tool, it's coming, and it features my favorite single MSF file, inspection utility that is compatible with hundreds of formats. The structure of a MSF is primarily defined as a component of the data file standard. The data serialization is accomplished using mail summary file. The MSF Nout mail summary file is a proprietary index file used by Mozilla Thunderbird and SeaMonkey. It functions as a cache, storing email headers, subject lines, and organizational data for a corresponding mailbox file, MBox. Developed by Mozilla, the format is structured to provide fast indexing and searching. The file contains only reference data, not the full email content. If this index file is corrupted, Thunderbird will automatically rebuild it from the associated MBox file. The ideal software for creation and opening of MSF is Mozilla Thunderbird from Mozilla. Windows cannot validate changes to the file structure, demanding dedicated software for integrity. Windows may preview high-level details, but full interpretation requires appropriate data processing tools. We are performing a foundational software check. Right-click your MSF file and choose Open With. Test with Mozilla Thunderbird first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software fix. If your MSF file is not opening yet, that is normal. The reason for the error is almost certainly the MSF file's unique specifications. Let's consult our troubleshooting checklist. First, use Thunderbird. Open the Mozilla Thunderbird email client. The program will automatically use the .msf file to summarize the associated MBox file. Next, force rebuild. Right-click the associated folder, e.g. Inbox in Thunderbird, go to Properties, Repair folder, to force the client to rebuild a fresh, clean .msf file. Finally, check for corruption. If the file is outside Thunderbird, open it in a text editor to view the raw headers, which are usually plain text. When the verdict is that the MSF file is too complex for basic software, it's time to use the one-click resolution built for stubborn formats. It's worth a shot. FileMagick is the secret weapon for a reason. Its powerful feature set includes instantly viewing the raw contents of the MSF file, even if Windows misidentifies the extension. Get your copy now at filemagick.com. If you're happy with the result, hit the like and subscribe buttons quickly. Until the next video, goodbye.